Hello students, welcome to our e-class of St. Joseph's Academy, class 3rd, subject General Knowledge, and the topic we are going to study today is chapter number 17, Folk Dances of India. I am Anukriti Gupta, your teacher for today, and I will be guiding you throughout the chapter number 17, which is Folk Dances of India. So students, till now we have studied about the personalities, different personalities, the women in India, the first woman in India to conquer the world, and different activities in different aspects. And now we are going to study about the folk dances in India, the famous folk dances in India. So students, let us now begin with the introductory part, which is how and why, what are the folk dances of India, what is the explanation. First of all, we will understand that, and then we will start with the numbering of folk dances. So here we are going to have the introduction. So in introduction, we are going to study India has many dances coming from every state in the country. Although there are only 6 forms of classical dances recognized by India on a national level. So on national level, you can only see 6 forms of dance, and these are classical dances which are being practiced in India and all over the world. And the origin of this classical dance is India, but they have many dance forms, and in every state of the country they have different and unique dance forms. And at national level also we have different classical six different classical dances, and all the 6 different dances are have won some great awards on the basis of their performances. They typically consist of a few simple steps and are performed throughout the world to celebrate a new season, childbirth, weddings, festivals, etc. So it is nothing but a typical dance, and which has few steps, and the steps are kind of simple for the classical dancers, but they cannot be practiced by any other people until they learn the form. And they are performed throughout the world, and they are performed to celebrate new season. Maybe the winter season is coming, or the spring is coming, or we are entering into new year. And when a child is born in any family of Indian family, so it is celebrated with music and dance. In weddings also, you can see it is very common to see uh, these types of dances. And the in Indian weddings you can see dances, different kinds of dances, they are the must ones. And on festivals, they are the most celebrated and colorful festivals in India we have, and they are celebrated with utmost priority, and they are celebrated with their high theme and colors, music, everything. So these dances are performed by Indians, all or other people throughout the world. And the classical form are the main basic ones, and the folk ones are of different states. So in this chapter, we are going to learn the folk dances, and the folk dances are of different states of the country. So let us now begin with the first state, or the first form of dance. We will have the uh, form of dance, and we will judge we will have the picture and the form of dance. Now we have to judge what is the state it is practiced in, right? So let us do it together. Let's do it together, and I'll guide you throughout the chapter, and we will discuss the kind of dances performed. So moving on to the first dance, we have. Okay, so the first dance we are having is Dandiya. So, students, you must have heard about Dandiya. So, Dandiya is performed in some part of the country, and it uses sticks to dance, and we heard the noise and the charm chipping of the sticks, and it is being performed. Let me show you the picture of the dance Dandiya. So like this it is performed. Can you guess the state? Any one of you can guess? Yes. Yes, you are near to it. Very good. So the state in which Dandiya is performed is Gujarat. Dandiya is performed in Gujarat. It is a very colorful and very enthusiastic dance. Okay, moving on to the next dance. Okay, this seems a little difficult in pronouncing, but it is very easy and it is very interesting and beautiful dance of our country. It is Kai Kotikali, and Kai Kotikali is performed in which part? Let me show you the picture of the dance, and let's just guess which part of the country it belongs to, because after looking at the picture you'll get to know which part. I want you to judge it with the name. Kai Kotikali is performed in which part of the country? Okay, let me help you with picture. Yes, now I think so it is very much clear to you. Many times we have performed this in our school also. Very unique dress. Yeah, very good. All right, you are absolutely correct. This is Kerala. So in Kerala, this is the cleanest dance form and it is performed very neatly, cleanly, no loud music. The music is very soothing and they perform it very patiently, and means they dance just to admire us, and it soothes our eyes. Right? Moving on to the next dance form. Okay, so this dance form is Chura, and which state? Okay, you might be thinking I picked up the difficult ones, but it is very easy. So if you will look at the picture, and it will be very easy for you, but I want you to recognize it by the name. And the pictures are secondary help, but the primary help are our names. So Chura is performed in which state? Any guesses by the name? Or I'll show you the picture, then you can tell me. Yes, okay, I'll show you the picture of Chira. So this is how Chira is performed. Now it is very easy for you to recognize which state. Yes, no, you guessed it wrong. It is not that particular state. You are above, means near it, but that state does not have this type of folk dance. Okay, this is Mizoram. So Mizoram have this folk dance famous for Chira, and it is very difficult to perform because they perform it through the sticks or the bamboo sticks, and it is being played by the boys sitting at the sides of the ground, and the girls are dancing in between the sticks. They are hopping and jumping over the sticks, and they perform the dance, and it is very very beautiful dance. And once you learn it, you'll just love it. So this dance form is very great. I hope you will find some videos of this dance. It is very interesting dance. You can just go onto YouTube and just search for these dance forms. It is very beautiful. Okay, so coming back to our class, we have this Chira in Mizoram. Now next we have our dance as okay, Bhangra. So Bhangra is yes, you means by the name only you guessed it. It is very famous, and the dance form is being practiced all over the world. We practiced here in our city, and it is not just for one state. It is for everyone around the world. In the world, you can see whenever we are winning a match or something at sports also, you can see we perform this, because the special instrument used with this dance form is dhol, and dhol is being practiced for wedding purposes also, for childbirth, new year, new season, everything. Bhangra is being practiced. So let us have a picture of this. So this is a very colorful, very joyful, very enthusiastic, and the energy in this dance form is very high. So this is being practiced in, yes, you know, this is being practiced in Punjab. So you guessed it right. Bhangra is practiced in Punjab. Punjab is the state where Bhangra is practiced, and it is practiced by both men and women. You can see here, I'll show you the dhol. You can see here, this guy is holding a dhol, and he is beating it up, and the beats coming out from it, and they dance over the beat, over this beat, this drums beat, and it is very cheerful. It is very loud, and it is very enthusiastic and energetic. So this dance form is very much famous. Okay, next we are moving up to the next dance form, which is okay. Next dance form is Ghumar. So you might have heard about this dance form recently with the help of a movie also. This movie was having this dance form Ghumar, one movie, and this dance form is very difficult. It is life-risking dance form also. They use different uh, means the ornaments are so heavy, the dress is so heavy, and they use different props for their dance, and the props used for their dance are very means it is like they are using a plate, they are using fire, they are using bowls, and they are using pots over their heads. So it is very difficult, and but it is very beautiful. If you will see this dance form, it is very beautiful. They just go round and round. The most daring dance form, you can say, is Ghumar. So where it is practiced, I'll give you 3 minutes to just recognize the dance form Ghumar from the picture and from the name. This dance form is being practiced in which state, in which corner of our country, or maybe in the center of our country? Yes. Okay, you are very much near to this dance form. It is being practiced in Rajasthan. So you can see the colors and heavy dresses, heavy ornaments in Rajasthan and Gujarat. This is the second one, which is Gujarat is different. We practice dandiya, although we are not having very heavy ornaments, but the dress is also very heavy. Here in Rajasthan, ornaments and the dress both are very much heavy, so they practice this Ghumar in Rajasthan. Next up, we are coming up to the next dance form, which is Rough. So, rough is being practiced in the most beautiful state of our country. The most beautiful. It is the mini Switzerland of our means country, and it is being visited by many tourists. And the main attraction of this state is the lake and the boats. So guess it, and by the dress you can guess it which state is this. But I want you to learn it by name. Rough is being practiced in the most beautiful state of the country. Please guess the state. Guess. You are absolutely right. This state has different colors. The women here are so beautiful, and they are so loving. The people here are so loving. They greet everyone with so much of love and respect. This is being practiced in Kashmir. So Kashmir is one of those states which is the most beautiful state of our country, and it is famous for the lakes and boats. You can see the boat houses in Kashmir. It is very soothing. The temperature is so good, and the place is so green and beautiful. Next up, we have Poikal Kuthirai. So I know this is a bit difficult one. Poikal Kuthirai is the dance form being practiced in which part of the country? Yes, okay, I'll show you the picture in hand. You see how they practice this dance form. This carrying this horse over as your prop is so difficult, and dancing with it with all the expressions and making it dance, it is very difficult. Just look at their dresses, their hairdos. It is so heavy, and still they practice this dance in their state, and it is very beautiful to watch. It is very creative dance, the most creative dance you can see. Okay, it is being practiced in Tamil Nadu. So Tamil Nadu is the state where this dance form is practiced, and it is very beautiful. Means the most creative one, and they have very beatful music. You can say the beats are very prominent on their dance. It is very nice. Okay, let's move on to the last dance form. Okay, our last dance form is Charkula. Charkula is being practiced from years, and the dance form is the same. It is okay, I'll show you the picture also. Yes, and this state is very popular state. We live in this state. The most appropriate hint is we live in this state. So this is the most fun dance, but also the risky one. See, they are carrying so much of burden on their heads, and their dresses are also like that. And at the top of their head, you can see pots, the burning diyas also. So it is risky. Still, they practice it. You can see they practice it with the full enthusiasm, and the dress is also colorful. Okay, so yes, everyone knows this because we live in this state, and it is Uttar Pradesh. Last but not the least one, it is the most happening state and the dance. You will enjoy this dance whenever you'll get to watch it. You can just YouTube it, and just to see the dance, all the dance forms. It is very pleasing to uh, see all the dance forms. Okay, next up we are coming to your home assignment. So your home assignment would be complete page number 19 in your general knowledge books, and I have mentioned all the states here, all the dance forms here, so complete it, and also paste pictures of any 5 folk dances of India in your general knowledge copy. Okay, so you have to page any 5 folk dances. Any 5 folk dance means the folk dance we have just listed in this video or in our syllabus, or it may be some other dance forms also. Any five you love or you find nice, so you can just go to it. Okay, yes, so this is your home assignment. Thank you for listening to me very carefully. Have a great day.